Hello friend. Welcome to Riotouch. Today, I'll show you how to use our AI tools for teaching. First, let's look at the streaming dialogue feature. AI chat's language function can automatically recognize voice and generate text. For example, if I type advantages of streaming dialogue in AI, the system quickly shows related info. It's much faster and simpler than switching between apps. AI will tell us what its specific advantages are. This is the summary function in AI chat. We can import files, pictures, courses, text files. We ask questions about the contents of the file. We get accurate answers to our questions. Q&A. Generate questions based on the teacher's course needs to enhance the interactive nature of the course. Similarly, if you want to create new questions, first, enter the question according to your needs. Choose the subject, age, language, difficulty level, and number of questions you want for your course. One-click generation. We can quickly get the corresponding matching questions, as well as the answers and explanations to the questions. This can test students' learning efficiency level more quickly. Of course, you can also save the question and jump to the whiteboard. Mark questions or explain in more detail. AI lesson generation also generates the corresponding course outline according to the course requirements. Write down the topic of the course you want to generate. Match the following options according to your needs. You can choose whether you want videos, pictures, and texts, as well as topic-generated titles. Okay, we can use AI to generate the course outline, video explanation, and graphic analysis. Teachers arrange the course process according to the course syllabus to enhance the efficiency and logic of the overall course. The course syllabus to enhance the efficiency and logic of the overall course. You can select the language, document type, and quantity. This type of question generation is more flexible and can be done in batches. Practicing a large number of questions enhances students' understanding of the lesson. Students can also generate questions on their own after class to consolidate and review knowledge points. Guide Maker function can generate image templates based on the theme. Enter the subject according to the course schedule. Select different template frameworks to generate theme, image outlines. We can see that several sections are generated based on the theme, which can help teachers summarize the unit. Inserted into the whiteboard interface, you can explain the nodes in detail, mark them, and import key content. Achieve an efficient classroom model. Okay. Next, our real-time translation tool helps people talk easily in different languages. Up to 4 people can join the same room and pick their own language. We can set the name of each dialog box and select the different language modes you need for different dialog boxes. When someone speaks, AI translates it for everyone else right away. This makes group talk smooth and clear for all. Once the conversation is complete, you can generate a QR code to share. We can use our mobile phones to scan the QR code to review our voice conversation content and make real-time records of meeting or course content. Okay, goodbye.